Hi guys. Today I was thought I was gonna die because of my calf and my chest is too much pain and my back pain. So I'll do this guys to just exercise my back pain because today I suffer a lot. I thought it end my life because of coughing too much and I cannot breathe. So I was just do this for a while, just to maybe it open the back pain. My boss said she had a problem with her shoulder and this one also before, so she did exercise. So maybe I was not enough exercise, that's why. So now she said her shoulder and her hand it's better now, so I try to do this also. We were very hard working guys and now we are not healthy at all. I have shorter and breathe, so I'm worried. And this is also, I want this because now it's, see guys, it's loosened. So maybe I need this one. Really I need. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next vlog. Hope to support my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.